So let's talk a little bit about model portfolios. One of the reasons that ETFs are very efficient, very effective to use with building client portfolios is you can create model portfolios, and those model portfolios can achieve diversification for a client of any size. You can have the percentage weights in the different asset classes and the individual ETFs within those asset classes, and it's very accessible. A portfolio of any size can be built using ETFs fully diversified. But you can also do the same for large portfolios because ETFs are available in extremely high liquidity amounts. It simplifies the asset allocation, it's cost effective, it's tax effective, and it makes rebalancing much easier. So ETFs are a great tool for using with model portfolios. And Danny's going to talk a little bit more about why advisors like models.
Absolutely. And I think, step one was the building blocks to build a whole entire portfolio. And step two is actually putting it all together. And, this goes back to the same theme that we've talked about throughout this webinar, which is, efficiencies and scale. And, when you think about model portfolios, they can allow an investor to really lean on an asset manager to really make tactical asset allocation adjustments, really give you more time to focus on, servicing client needs, spending more time with your clients, and expanding your book of business. Again, efficiency is the key here. If you look at a recent Cerulli report, advisors utilizing models reported on average having 4 times more assets and 9 times more productivity growth. So I think that's very clear, the value proposition of thinking about incorporating a models-based practice. Today, there's about 4.2 trillion in models. And if you sort of project that out over the next 10 years, we think that's more likely to get closer to 12 trillion. When you think about the direction of travel and the efficiencies and scale an advisor can have.